Did you know this one food has huge negative effects on your brain? The human brain is one of the most complex and vital organs in the body. It weighs about 3 pounds and is composed of a large network of cells and tissues. The brain is divided into several key parts: the cerebrum, cerebellum, and brainstem. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain, responsible for higher brain functions like thought, action, and emotion. It's divided into left and right hemispheres, each controlling opposite sides of the body. The cerebellum, located at the back of the brain, it controls motor skills, coordination, and balance, allowing us to perform precise movements. The brainstem, which connects the brain to the spinal cord and controls essential life functions like heart rate, breathing, and sleep cycles. What is the brain made of? It is made up of about 60% fat, making it one of the fattiest organs in the body. It's also rich in water, protein, carbohydrates, and salts. The brain's fat content is crucial for its health, as it forms part of the myelin sheath that insulates nerve fibers and speeds up the transmission of electrical signals. The brain contains approximately 86 billion neurons. Supporting the neurons are glial cells, which provide nutrients, remove waste, and help maintain the brain's structure. What are neurons? They are the basic building blocks of the brain and nervous system. They are responsible for processing and transmitting information through electrical and chemical signals. Neurons have 3 main parts: the cell body, dendrites, and axon. The cell body or soma contains the nucleus and is the metabolic center of the neuron. The dendrites are branch-like structures that receive signals from other neurons and transmit them to the cell body. The axon is a long, slender projection that carries signals away from the cell body to other neurons, muscles, or glands. How are neurons classified? Neurons are classified into 3 main types based on their function. Sensory neurons transmit signals from sensory receptors to the central nervous system, allowing us to experience sensations like touch, smell, and sound. Motor neurons carry signals from the central nervous system to muscles and glands, enabling movement and action. Interneurons connect neurons within the central nervous system, facilitating communication between sensory and motor neurons. What are the brain functions? The brain is the command center of the body, orchestrating a wide range of functions essential for survival and daily life. Cognition and thought. The brain is responsible for cognitive functions like thinking, reasoning, problem-solving, and decision-making. It processes information from the environment and helps us make sense of the world. Memory and learning. The brain stores and retrieves information, allowing us to learn from past experiences and apply that knowledge to future situations. Memory involves complex processes that enable us to recall facts, events, and skills. Emotion and behavior. The brain regulates emotions and influences behavior. It processes feelings like happiness, sadness, anger, and fear, affecting how we interact with others and our environment. Motor control. The brain controls voluntary and involuntary movements by sending signals to muscles. It coordinates actions like walking, speaking, and writing. Sensory processing. The brain interprets sensory information from the eyes, ears, skin, and other organs, allowing us to perceive sights, sounds, textures, and tastes. Homeostasis. The brain maintains internal balance by regulating body temperature, hunger, thirst, and sleep-wake cycles. Language. The brain enables us to understand and produce language, facilitating communication through speech, writing, and gestures. Social interaction. The brain processes social cues and helps us navigate relationships, understand others' emotions, and respond appropriately. Why is it important to have good brain health? Maintaining good brain health is essential for overall well-being and quality of life. Here's why. A healthy brain supports cognitive functions like memory, attention, and problem-solving, allowing you to think clearly and make informed decisions. Good brain health is linked to emotional stability and resilience, helping you manage stress and maintain a positive outlook on life. Optimal brain function enhances productivity, enabling you to perform tasks efficiently and effectively. A healthy brain reduces the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, promoting longevity and quality of life. A well-functioning brain allows you to adapt to new situations and learn new skills, keeping your mind sharp and engaged. Good brain health supports effective communication and social interaction, strengthening relationships with family, friends, and colleagues. It regulates vital bodily functions, ensuring that your organs and systems work together harmoniously. Maintaining brain health supports overall physical health. A healthy brain contributes to a fulfilling and meaningful life, enabling you to pursue your passions, achieve your goals, and enjoy life's experiences. What is BDNF? Brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, is a protein that plays a crucial role in brain health and function. It belongs to a family of proteins known as neurotrophins, which support the growth, survival, and differentiation of neurons. Its functions are neurogenesis, promotes the growth of new neurons and synapses, enhancing brain plasticity and adaptability. This process is vital for learning and memory. Improves synaptic plasticity, strengthens synaptic connections, improving communication between neurons and supporting cognitive functions like learning and memory. Protection against neurodegeneration, protects neurons from damage and degeneration, reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Mood regulation, plays a role in regulating mood and emotional well-being. Low levels of BDNF have been linked to depression and anxiety. Cognitive function, enhances cognitive functions like attention, problem-solving, and decision-making, contributing to overall mental performance. The deceitful brain killer. Its sugar, often found in processed foods and sugary beverages, is a hidden threat to brain health. While it may provide a temporary energy boost, its long-term effects can be detrimental. What is sugar? Sugar is a type of carbohydrate that provides a quick source of energy. It comes in various forms, including glucose, fructose, and sucrose. While natural sugars are found in fruits and vegetables, added sugars are often present in processed foods and drinks. The effects of sugar on brain health. Glucose crashes. Consuming high amounts of sugar leads to rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. These fluctuations can impair cognitive function and lead to fatigue, irritability, and mood swings. Inflammation. Excessive sugar intake promotes inflammation in the body and brain. Chronic inflammation is linked to neurodegenerative diseases and cognitive decline. Neuronal damage. Sugar can damage neurons and impair their function, similar to the effects of alcohol and cigarettes. This damage affects memory, learning, and overall brain performance. Plasticity. High sugar consumption reduces brain plasticity, limiting the brain's ability to adapt and form new connections. This can hinder learning and memory. Neurotransmitters. Sugar affects neurotransmitter levels, including serotonin and dopamine, leading to mood imbalances and reduced motivation. Learning and memory. Sugar impairs learning and memory by disrupting synaptic connections and reducing BDNF levels. High sugar intake lowers BDNF levels, hindering neurogenesis and cognitive function. Also, excessive sugar consumption increases the risk of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's by promoting inflammation and neuronal damage. Gut-brain axis disruption. Sugar affects the gut microbiota, affecting the gut-brain axis and impacting mood, cognition, and overall brain health. Nutrients for optimal brain health. To support brain health and function, it's important to consume a diet rich in essential nutrients. Here are some key nutrients for optimal brain health. Omega-3 fatty acids. Found in fatty fish like salmon and sardines, omega-3s support brain cell structure and function, improving cognitive performance and reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Antioxidants. Foods, like berries and dark chocolate, rich in antioxidants, protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation, supporting overall brain health. B vitamins. B vitamins, including B6, B12, and folate, are essential for brain function and neurotransmitter production. They are found in nutritional yeast, leafy greens, and lean meats. Vitamin E. This antioxidant helps protect brain cells from damage and is found in nuts, seeds, and leafy greens. Magnesium. Magnesium supports cognitive function and mood regulation. It's found in nuts, seeds, and leafy greens. Zinc, which is essential for neurotransmitter function and cognitive health. It's found in red meat, shellfish, and legumes. Choline supports brain development and function. It's found in eggs, liver, and soybeans. Polyphenols. Found in foods like green tea, grapes, and olives, support brain health by reducing inflammation and protecting against oxidative stress. Also, a diet rich in fiber supports gut health and the gut-brain axis, promoting overall brain function and mood regulation. How to naturally boost BDNF? Exercise. Regular physical activity, especially aerobic exercise, increases BDNF levels and supports brain health. Proper nutrition. A diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and polyphenols supports BDNF production. Foods like fatty fish, berries, and green tea are excellent choices. Quality sleep is essential for maintaining optimal BDNF levels and supporting brain function. Stress management. Since chronic stress can lower BDNF levels, practices like meditation, yoga, and deep breathing can help manage stress and support brain health. Engaging in meaningful social interactions can boost BDNF levels and promote emotional well-being. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, The brain is an intricate organ primarily composed of fat, water, proteins, and essential nutrients, with neurons and glial cells forming its fundamental structure. Neurons, which transmit information through electrical and chemical signals, enabling movement and facilitating communication within the nervous system. The brain orchestrates complex functions, from cognitive processes and emotional regulation to motor control and sensory interpretation, underscoring its role as the body's command center. Maintaining optimal brain health is vital for cognitive function, emotional stability, and overall well-being, with key nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and B vitamins playing crucial roles in supporting brain structure and function. Brain-derived neurotrophic factor is essential for neurogenesis, synaptic plasticity, and protection against neurodegeneration. However, sugar intake negatively impacts brain health by causing inflammation, reducing its functions, and increasing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases, making it crucial to avoid sugar, prioritizing a healthy food plan and lifestyle for optimal brain health. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.